Hi, I'm Hailey Feldman and I am new to Stila Cosmetics, but I'm like just totally obsessed. And I'm going to show you why by demoing this amazing calligraphy pen, which is also a lip stain. The color I'm going to show you right now is called Yuri. And it is just truly, you'll see, wait till you see. It is a real red. So this is what it comes out looking like here. Here's Stila. Okay. So here we go. Now look at the tip here. Got a lot. So I'm going to do it really lightly because I'm about to go to the gym. Okay. See? So I just filled in up here to create a fuller look. Okay, see that? So you can line here, and then you can stain like that. To lots of different angles here. It's a very strategic tool that I love. Total must-have for your makeup if you love a natural plumping look.